This Pete Anderson Realty Incorporated property video is presented by David Jones. Attractive, newer, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage cottage home has been very well maintained. With a very large open floor plan, there is plenty of lighting and windows to enjoy the amazing views and wildlife, with a bay window accenting the dining room. The spacious laundry room includes the West/D and offers plenty of cabinet space. The master bedroom has walk-in shower and large walk-in closet. Second bathroom is a tub and shower combo. Bonus room upstairs that can be utilized to fit your needs. For more information, review the details below or contact David Jones at 503-355-2532.